The human body is amazing. Regulated by many systems, it is able to respond and adapt in order to find and restore balance for survival. Food is essential for survival. When you eat or drink something with carbohydrates, your body breaks it down into glucose. After you eat or don't eat for a prolonged period of time, your body tries to balance out the amount of glucose in your blood at a certain level. This search for balance is called glucose homeostasis. Glucose, also known as blood sugar, travels through the blood to reach the cells in your body, fueling them with energy in order to function. Homeostasis refers to the ways your body's functions are kept in check via opposing mechanisms, also known as negative feedback. Negative feedback is like Newton's third law of motion, where every action has an equal and opposite reaction. In the case of glucose homeostasis, the two opposite reactions are the release of two hormones made by the pancreas: insulin and glucagon. While there are several processes involved in glucose homeostasis, today we'll focus on insulin and glucagon. Wait, what? Hang on, let's walk through this. Let's say you eat a delicious glazed donut, and in response to a spike in blood sugar, your brain sends a message to the pancreas to release insulin. Insulin attaches to the cells by binding to its receptors and unlocks the door for glucose to enter the cells. But your body is probably not going to use all the blood sugar at once, and so with the help of insulin, leftover glucose gets stored in the liver and muscles as reserves. As a result, the cells are full of energy and glucose levels in the blood go down. Now let's say you haven't had anything to eat for a while, and your blood sugar is low. In response to this, the pancreas receives another message to release glucagon. You remember the leftover glucose stored in the liver? Glucagon attaches to its receptors in the liver and unlocks the door, allowing glucose to leave the liver and enter the blood. As a result, glucose levels go up and the cycle starts all over again. Why is this important? If there's an interruption in the body's ability to properly balance its blood sugar, it can result in some serious health conditions such as diabetes. Diabetes is a growing and serious public health problem in the United States and around the world. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, 1 out of every 11 people have diabetes in the United States. And the World Health Organization estimates that by the year 2030, diabetes will be the 7th leading cause of death globally. This may be a lot to digest, so here's an easy way to remember this. To lower blood sugar, insulin is the key to letting glucose in the cells and the liver. To increase blood sugar, glucagon is the key to letting glucose be gone from the liver. Wow, that makes so much more sense, thanks. My job is done.